What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? So today I will be installing some aftermarket bucket seats in the old Cressida. I gotta figure out how to make a bracket to install those two seats, and hopefully everything works out. So let's get to it. Woohoo! Alright, so now that she's in the garage, here she is. She's so beautiful. Yeah, I need to get new tires still. And take out the tint. Maybe that one's flat. Yep. Gotta hit up Andy's. But here's the old bucket seats. Yep, there we go. Those are the seats that I'll be installing into my Cressida. But yeah, the seats in the Cressida are kind of bad, because once I sit on the seat, I got nothing really to keep me supported up, and yeah, it's not cool. So you need to figure out what's going to happen. I'll take out the driver's side. I'm thinking either A, I could reuse the stock bracket that's on the stock seat, or B, I don't know, make my own bracket. I'll cut up some metal, do some welding, and get those seats installed. It's possible. We got the equipment here to make it happen, so let's make it happen, Captain. Woohoo! Alright, in the back, I already took those two bolts off that hold the seat. And then just the two in the front, and I'll get it out. Alright, so here's the ordeal. Right now, the aftermarket seat is smaller in the width than the stock seat, and all of our brackets are not as wide as the stock Cressida seat. So, what we're thinking is chop in either the middle of this one, or probably the flatter one. Probably cut the flatter one.
This one would be easier to extend.
So I'll cut like right here, and right here, and I'll use these pieces on this side. So then I'll cut off these right here, and then I can just weld them to this. And then I just need to weld a piece that goes in the middle. All right, cool. Look at that, got the rivet out, looking good. Next thing I'm gonna do is chop this part out right here, and we should be able to wiggle it loose. I don't know what else is keeping it on there, so we'll see what's up next. All right, sorry I didn't show you guys this part, but I got one off. There it is, it's on the ground, it's a little hot. But yeah, I'll show you what I did. Actually, worked out pretty good. Get the little chisel, I'll smack it in until it lifts up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna chop right here, and I'll get my second bracket. There we go. Second one right there. What I'm gonna do is, this one should be cold by now. Yeah, it's cold. Alright, so the whole idea is to see, that's the driver, that's the passenger side. So what I plan is doing is just bolting these in right there, and then get all of them bolted in, all 4 of them bolted in, and then I will use the bracket to go across. I'll weld it all in, and then I'll be able to find my holes and bolt in the seat. Just 2 more brackets to get off, and I'll be able to chop this one in half, bolt it all up, and start welding. All right, so we got everything off. At least the pieces we needed right now. Those are good. Next thing I'm going to do is chop all these little brackets off over here, and then chop it in the middle, mock everything up inside the car. All right, so since I got all situated, I gotta figure out what to do about these little guys right here. Cut these off really quick with the old plasma cutter. Let's do it. There we go. Smooth it out in a little bit, and yeah, we'll be good. That works way faster, way better. I'm so glad we have this in here. I'm gonna continue on 1, 2, 3, and yeah, man, it's working out. Woohoo! Yeah, you're here now. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? On the old GoPro. My camera took a dump, so it's time to get a new camera. But anyways, this is what I have going on right now. I'm gonna weld it, the bracket right underneath, and I think that'll be good because the brackets are so wide that we'll have room to play with to pull the seat down. But unfortunately, I can't use the sliders because the seat sits a little too high. It kind of feels weird. Kind of mocked it up earlier, but yeah, no seat rails. It'd be a fixed seat just like shipwrecks.
You don't need a slider, yeah? You don't need adjustability. Just don't get fat.
Yep, you guys stay the same weight. You gonna work it?
I don't know.
All right, so I have it in the car, right there. The back side we're already tacked in there. The front side, I'm trying to get it nice and squared up.
Somebody wants to help you
So,
measure.
what? Oh, we got a little helper. What's up, Mike?
She just wants to help you measure.
We got the family over.
Oh god.
There's a good wifey. Oh, wifey butt. Wifey butt. Uh oh, his daughter. So I got the welder right here. I'm going to just tack it in so it's all, you know, strong, legit. We're all good. And I'll remove it and I'll just weld everything around there, and then I'll continue on to this side. Yep. Let's get it done. Woohoo! All right, well, you missed the welding part. I just tacked it in, and look at that. We are good. Woo! There's the bracket. There's the other bracket. So all I gotta do is weld it up all the way around, and then I'll continue on to the next one, and then we'll figure out the whole.
We're over here pushing chairs in circles.
Hi, family.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Sorry.
Sorry over there. No, they're good. Family stopped by. Woo! The other family. I have a lot of families. We got more people showing up, but now I'm going Uncle Joe's. But yep, we're going to weld the rest of it. Woo! Alright, I think I did pretty good on the welds, but you guys decide. Let's see. Okay, there's my welds right there. It ain't bad. It looks good to me. A little sloppy here and there. Let's see on this side. Yeah, so this is where I kind of started. This is the beginning, pretty much the beginning of welding for the day. And then I got a little better, got the hang of it. It looks good. The next thing I gotta do is just okay. All right, man. All right, Hey, nope, it's all good, man. The weld's held. Woohoo! We're good on that part. Look at it. It's all good still. So we're going to mock it up one more time before I keep welding, because if it warped at all, that sucks, and I gotta chop them out.
We are here. Going to work on the Toyota.
Yeah, been a few days, but we're back at it.
Come with me. Got the hammock view.
My seat keeps sliding back, man.
It's not even bolted in, bro.
I know, I keep sliding. I'm like, hold on to the steering wheel so I don't go back.
If you didn't know, that's what we're gonna be doing. Put in his seat. Bolt on his seat.
Like, oh shit, I can't do nothing.
I know, you want to stall? He goes, let off the
tricky one. Yeah, there we saw everything. Already welded all the brackets and stuff. Because you haven't seen anything, huh?
Nope.
You haven't done anything yet.
I haven't seen the episode, it's not out yet.
Not out, but it'll be soon. It'll be soon. But yeah, I just gotta figure out where these bolts will go for the holes. Brackets are all done. Bolts it up and we'll be good.
So, we'll just make a little template, some cordboard, make it perfect, put it to those marks, and we'll be all right.
We'll be good.
And then we just drill the holes. You can drill them on there so it stays straight.
Yeah.
And then bring it off and then put it on there.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Woohoo! Like a spider. Hello, it looks like the turret from Portal Combat.
All right, here's just what's going on. Oh, this one's all falling apart. There we go. We just got the bolts in there.
I just push one through, just push it.
Okay.
Line that center up, and then see where we want, and then that'll be our center of that. Then we puncture that wherever that is. You see it?
Oh yeah. That was perfect. I don't know.
It's in there.
Okay.
It's in there. It is just the center points of the thing. Once we have that.
Yeah, once the hole's big enough, it'll go right through.
Yeah.
We'll be good.
Yeah, because those brackets are so huge.
Yeah.
It's more in here though. I felt it.
To the left or?
Yeah. Sweet. Well, we can always once we know the height of them, we could bring them. We can measure them right now actually.
I'll square it up.
Yeah. Actually.
Do it.
Where's that marker?
Which one? The red one?
Yeah. Oh. Between the holes, 15 3/4. Center point. So yeah, it was more lifter. Oh, that's good. See, 15 3/4. 15 3/4.
All right, that's our bracket, everybody.
Yeah,
there we
it's
go.
gonna sit there forever once it's on there.
Woo! Almost done with this side, and then obviously I'll get back to the passenger side one day. One day.
I think honestly, how you're set up, I could probably sit in that. I like my knees pretty bent.
Oh really? Oh, the way that how close the seat is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little guy, so we don't know if we need to drill more holes. So if Joey decides to drive the car, I might have to put it back. But if he thinks he's good, then
I'll just go knees in my chest. I'm not that much taller than you though.
oh, we're both Joes, so it's okay.
Yeah. We share our things. Louis! 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 Shipwreck, help! Somebody quick! Somebody! We can always do like how they do these, and then you can go like this, move it left and right.
Yeah, slide it over and stuff.
Yeah.
Almost done, everybody. A little mess. Gotta vacuum it all up. But these shavings get stuck in this carpet. So we'll do that soon, and hopefully this little mock-up is it. Hopefully it worked out, baby. Let's see.
You have big old holes too.
Well, there was two problems. It was lining up, and so the bracket is so wide, you know, that it was hitting the tunnel.
Dude, this
So it wasn't fully going down.
feels pretty solid. Like,
That looks good, dude.
I don't feel crooked. Like, it doesn't feel crooked at all.
So that's how it's gonna be when he's drifting.
Yeah.
Oh look, he's on a chair.
Woo-wee. Just finishing up the last bolt. Yep. Nice. Get it.
It's just I could do like one little twist at a time.
Oh yeah, down there.
Yeah. I fixed the problem with that top one. Remember, it was like leaning.
Yeah.
I put a washer, and then it was leaning. Like every time I bolted, it would go like this. So I put a washer and grinded it down to even it out. So I made the washer go like this.
All right.
So it's like it sat better. You're on, man.
Yeah, it's solid.
Woo.
Here you go. Let me put
All
the-
fours on.
All right, I'm out, guys. We'll see you later. Oh, that feels good, man.
You got a working seat, bruh.
Yeah, dude, it's like perfect. It's still recording.
Oh my God. Just crotch shots. Let me see. Let me try and sit on it.
Sit down. Try it out.
I think I like it honestly because I kind of like my knee pretty big. That's fancy. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, you could drive it too, because you can
Look
also
at
put
that.
the seat backwards a little bit. Like,
Nah, I'm good. Because
Yeah?
if I sit all the way back, look at that.
Perfect. And there's no flex in the seat or nothing, huh? Feels
Not
good.
down here. Bah, bah. There's a big old shifter in it.
The e-brake?
Yeah.
Hydraulic brake?
Wait, hold on.
Woo! Cool, man. You're done.
It works.
And there you go, everybody. We did it.
It's a seat.
It's a seat. I have a seat because the other seat was horrible. Oh my God, I'm so glad we did it all. Yeah, dude, it feels great. Feels great. Thank you, Joey, for coming over to help me out.
We got the
Yeah,
bracket
we got
done.
it all done, man. So that's it. Yeah, right. So that's done. I'll probably get on the passenger seat in a little bit, but I'm not gonna film it. It's the same process, and we'll just call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of making our own POHBOYS bracket working, man. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. That's
The
good.
grinds, the welds.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's cool. Love it. It's look a lot better with the next seat matching it.
Yeah.
But yeah, there we go. Well, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this episode, give me a big old thumbs up. You know, right? Say hello to us. So make sure to subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and we'll catch you guys next time. Woohoo!
Tonight, I feel just fine. Out on the street and out of my mind. Good guy knows well.
The puppy. See, he wants me. He wants me. He wants Uncle
He
Joe.
wants you. He wants to go with you.
Oh my God, he's crazy. Yeah, he does. Come here.
He's super hyped because he shit out a rock.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Feeling better? Look at, say hi to the people. He's cool.
Zuko, put your ears up, crazy. Put your ears up.
Zuko.